A heaven on earth. Hey everyone, welcome to Gauda Waterfall. This video is for those who want a cool and natural escape from 35-degree heat in this summer. The coolness of water relaxes our mind. Sound of flowing water acts as meditating music, and the waterfall and natural scenery makes us feel heaven on earth. This is a must visit place in summer. If you haven't visited this place, then do comment for location. And if you have already visited this heavenly place in summer, please share your experience. And if you like the video, do like, share and subscribe.